Craig from Milestone, and today we're in the little village of West Wellow, just on the edge of the New Forest in Hampshire. In this mini-series we're doing, we want to take you through the stages of a landscaping project right from start to finish. What's involved in the concept, what to think about before you accept delivery of our products, and how the construction process works right through. We're actually working on this project with a regular customer of ours we've known for a long time, Dan at Paving Construction. He works with Rowan, and they're going to take us through the ideas behind the project, how their construction phases work, and what to expect in terms of lead times throughout the course of the job. We hope you enjoy it and stick with us. It should be fun.
Hello, I'm Dan, Director of Marvel Paving Construction, and this is Rowan.
Hi.
This is a paving job, and they've got some existing paving. It's been laid for about 20 years. They're looking to get it revamped up. They popped down to Milestone, spoke to you guys down there, got a recommendation off me, so rung me up. I've come out, seen them, and yeah, gone from there really. They popped down, looked at using Sandstone Mint. So yeah, they'd already had the slabs they wanted in mind before I turned up. The fossil's my favourite, if I'm honest, because you get the fur, you get all the fossils, which is obviously, you don't call it fossil, but it's mint, but it's fossil buff, isn't it? Yeah. So I mean, that's a good thing about this. Colour variation's quite nice. I mean, it will go with the very, very light pointing, the sandstone, won't it? The customer himself laid the previous chessboard. So he's got black and white tiles that he laid himself 10, 15 years, and he just wants that light for light. So now we're going to lay the 275 Mint Sandstone alongside the 275 Black Limestone. So yeah, it's going to be really nice. The first one I've laid, and when I come on my first visit, I left thinking, well, I've got to lay that really. I need to get this job to get a chessboard in my locker as such. Weather depending, obviously this time of year, just rolling into autumn. I've given us 2 weeks to dig out, pave and point, and obviously it's the pointing that's going to be the tricky part, because at the moment they've gone for a conventional pointing sand and cement mix, so that's obviously weather dependent, dry. So about 2 weeks, give or take.
Okay, we're going to start by just lifting all the original slabs that are down and eventually preparing the base, getting it ready to put the new slabs down on top.
I'm Joyce, I'm a Milestone customer. We've been really pleased with the designs that you had, the way the stock was laid out when we went to the showroom. The garden bits that you had laid out were really lovely, and we picked our stone for our garden. Well, we've been thinking about it for a little while, but we decided that having had some renovations done in the house and some alterations, that it was time that we actually enlarged our patio area. And also we just felt the tiles had been down 30 years, the concrete tiles, the cement tiles that we had, and we thought it would look much nicer having a natural stone, and we just think that the place will benefit from having the facelift. We're very pleased with your introduction and the service. I think I looked it up on the internet and found that you were quite local, We did look around at a few other stone masons around the district, but decided that your selection was better, or certainly suited our purpose more. And so far, so good. It'd be really nice to have, now I've got the kitchen redone, to actually just open the doors and step out onto a nice patio area that we can have a table and chairs on. Enjoy some outdoor living as well as indoor living.